A single drop of pond water hides a universe of deadly hunters. Microscopic dramas unfold constantly, unseen by the human eye. For ages, this vibrant world remained a complete mystery. Our naked eyes simply cannot perceive its intricate beauty or brutal struggles. This tiny realm holds answers to some of life's biggest questions. Understanding it reveals evolution, survival, and adaptation secrets. But observing such minute details presents immense technical challenges. Traditional lenses offered only blurry, limited glimpses. How could anyone truly capture these fleeting, hidden moments? Innovation became the only key to unlock this secret domain. Early microscopes granted us initial, fuzzy peeks, yet capturing dynamic behaviors remained nearly impossible. Imagine trying to film a speeding bullet with a simple still camera. This required revolutionary changes in optical engineering and imaging. Scientists developed high-speed macro cameras, freezing rapid motion. These devices capture thousands of frames each second. Suddenly, a hummingbird's wingbeat became a graceful, slow ballet. But this incredible speed was just the beginning. Advanced electron microscopes went even further, revealing atomic structures. They use electron beams instead of light, showing incredible detail. This technology unveils the texture of an insect's compound eye. It shows the intricate patterns on a butterfly's iridescent scale. Yet, even with this clarity, a new challenge emerged. Researchers integrated artificial intelligence into imaging systems. AI now identifies species and tracks behaviors automatically. This accelerates discovery beyond human processing speed. It's like having millions of expert eyes watching simultaneously. Consider the trapjaw ant, snapping its mandibles at 200 mph. High-speed video revealed its unique spring-loaded hunting mechanism. Previously, this action was too fast for any human to comprehend. What else might these powerful tools uncover next? Experts explain these tools transform our entire understanding of life. These discoveries profoundly impact diverse scientific fields. We now observe complex symbiotic relationships in unprecedented clarity. Insights into insect flight inspire new drone designs. The strength of spider silk informs advanced material science. Understanding a beetle's self-cleaning shell helps engineers. This knowledge aids in developing new waterproof surfaces. It drives advancements in medicine, robotics, and environmental study. Imagine designing resilient structures based on a diatom's architecture. Our perspective shifts, realizing vast complexity in miniature forms. The relentless pursuit of better vision continues to expand our world. The relentless pursuit of better vision continues to expand our world. Each technological leap unveils more wonder and deeper connections. Discover the unseen marvels awaiting your curious gaze.